Hey, Max. Zombie, that duck emote, like, at first I wasn't sure what it was, and then I hovered over it and I still wasn't sure what it was. It was like something about the... It's got that dog face is the beak kind of thing going on. The beak of that duck is a exaggerated face of a dog. And now you'll see that forever and ever. You'll see the dog inside of the duck beaks. Sounds good, Max. Glad I could help. Doing all right. There was a lot of days there where I just didn't want to develop, and I needed to just hit it hard today. I'm trying to hit it hard. Just doing a whole lot of UI fixing, so we'll see how it goes. So this can be back up to this. Be 5. That's all we push. So Themes. Okay. So I had to change all my text, make it look better. But I think I got all of it. Actually, no, I am missing one, and these need to be smaller. But otherwise... Oh my god, what? Okay, well, that's broken. That's fine. Alright, time to fix whatever the fuck that was. My hovers are all messed up. Let me get rid of these. Oh no, I need to keep this up. Text push is probably doing something goofy.
What you do is try to keep making things better.
Or it's this. It's one of these. Yeah, that's what it is. Because there's toggles and then there's non-toggles, and I have to fix that. I am not going to have any more toggles. These are all going to be pure buttons. Because the only buttons are the pop-up and snap. Those are the only two that will be toggles, but you know that both of them are on because you just see them in the game. So you don't actually need the button to tell you what state it's in. The game already shows you what state it's in. So I can keep those on. Alright. So those are just going to be normal buttons. And as such, they'll just go with color tint. And so that should just work. Alright, let's turn off the tooltip player. And let's... Advanced options will make more work a little bit. Advanced options panel. Okay. Up, 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 up. This all looks fine. Might want to put it down, but... I don't have any... Yeah, I don't have anything. Okay. Alright, hovers are all good. Uh-oh, what's that? What's this error? That when I drag this out, it does that. Oh, it's because of this. Fuck, right, okay. Okay, so we have to go and put something back in place. Let's see here. So I think it's the panel script, right? No, this isn't game script. Okay. We need to just go back into camera and find what's missing here. Missing all spawner text. But I labeled those. Spawner text and limit text. Right here. Oh, that's right. Because it's Text Mesh Pro, it's not coming up right. So I had to change some stuff. I had to change the type of stuff. So instead of being a text, it's Text Mesh Pro. So I'm going to find texts. I already found them. I don't need to do this. It's right here. Okay, not there. So I need to go up and probably do include. PM Pro. Is that like, I don't know if that's to be inside something, but we'll just leave it there. I hope that's right. Mesh Pro. Perfect. Oh, but then again, it might be Text Mesh Pro UGUI? I don't know which one it is, so we'll just keep it like this and see what Unity thinks, and that'll help us figure that out. For spawn. I think this is it. Okay. So we'll just change the others to that. Pro UGUI. Pro UGUI. Ooh, that's a nice car. I love what it's doing getting over terrain. That's wild. Good job. Limit text. Limit price text. Oh, I don't have that actually. Oh, I removed that actually. Right. Whoops. Well, whatever. Alright. 0, 0, 0. Centered at the top. Justification with a like that. And then we can go to here. Nice. There we go. Alright, let's see how many errors we get now. If I missed anything or not. That's really cool. Yeah, making a car that drives really well is difficult, but once you do it, it's really satisfying. I feel like there's absolutely a market for a driving game where you just have like open valleys and you're just trying to like jump off ramps and do tricks, and that's it. Because there was an entire, I don't know if I talked about it on here. I think I did. I think I showed it on here. Like an entire popular motocross game that was simply like riding motorcycles around a really rampy area. And it's hard to get that green. Oh, this is all fuckered. Oh, whatever. By the way, look at this is probably your new color scheme for the game. No, not Trackmania. The thing about Trackmania is that you have to be on a track. I'm talking about like with no track at all, like complete free roam, free form. And the whole point is to like control your car to do better like rolls and flips. There was actually a mode like this in San Francisco Rush 2049. Where it was just a stunt mode. You had a massive map that was very open spaced, and then your car, when you would ramp off of stuff, you could open up glider wings and control the roll and pitch and such. And that was really, really fun. But the open world maps for that weren't really large in any way. They needed to be larger and have way fewer like obstacles in the way. And I'd rather have it in like a nice desert area, like a valley. Just a desert. Just think of a dunes, if you will. You know, something you'd expect buggies and BMX to be on. That would be really, really fun. But nobody ever has like really simplistic gameplay modes like that anymore. Yeah, desert. Alright, let's see here. This is all looking good. It's all working fine. That's so good. That's so good. See, clicking on this twice doesn't turn it off, which is weird. I don't know if I want to do anything about that. Pop-ups on and off, that's all working still, and ball can still works. Alright, good. So we've simplified the options area. This is still like this though. That'll probably get changed at some point. Okay, this is all looking really nice. I haven't actually done the thing I even started this project up to do, so. Alright, that looks good too. This is something I've been really worried about, is how the portrait mode looks. Because the thing is that this game has to... Ooh, well, that doesn't matter, hold on. Because we're always going to start in landscape. And as long as you start in landscape, which is now forced, then when you go to portrait, all of this will actually look correct. The thing is that the game has to be able to be played with one hand. That's like really super duper important. So I need to make sure the UI was scaling right, everything looked good. I think things are still fine. This is just a shame. I'm not really sure what to do about it, but that's something I'll have to think about. I think maybe if you open this up, this will turn off. Oh yeah, that's a good one actually. Turn off. Let's see here. Turn off tooltips. Turn off tooltips if piece panel is opened. Close piece panel if tooltips turned on. It's a really, really long one, but those are associated. So that'll be something. So many little corner cases to deal with. Wisdom teeth, zombie, do you know if they're gonna gas you or give you happy time meds? Because I'll just say that I've dabbled in mind-altering substances in the past.
Oh, there's that music again. It means Rusty's going to be asking for money. But if we didn't ask...
Fuck you, Rusty. I'm talking. All right, so getting my wisdom teeth out? No. Ask for nitrous. Ask for it. Say you want to be knocked out. Because when you wake up, you will be the happiest you'll ever be in your entire life. And it's going to be fantastic. You know, David goes to the dentist. That was me when I had my wisdom teeth out, and it was fantastic. You should absolutely ask them if they can gas you. And you will have absolutely nothing to worry about. You should look forward to it. I tell everybody, it's great getting your wisdom teeth out. Just make sure you ask for the nitrous. Oh my god. This, of course, assumes that you'll be having somebody take you home afterwards. You absolutely need somebody to take you home because you will be in no shape to get yourself home, just so you know. Yeah, make sure you're oh, you're on your own? Well, sorry. You're screwed. So closing this has to turn... Oh wait, wasn't that my fucking to-do? Dragging up pieces, just get bought. Dragging camera. Then over to piece, many pieces get bought. Did I not fix that? Oh, I didn't. SFX, BS, ability, remove bonus pieces, turn off tooltips. An add button is click close. Okay, there's a whole lot of like if something then something. Click you shouldn't cancel ball cam. Yeah. Okay. Ooh. Well, since I'm in UI land, we'll do all this UI stuff. So, closing the options menu has to turn them off. I don't think it knows what. Yeah, it doesn't know which side it's on because it's simply gonna do a check. Okay. There's a broadcast that goes out from clicking this. That's what we need to look up. That's what we'll have every panel script call. That should be fine. This shouldn't be difficult. All right. Oh, you know what? Dude, I just forgot. Did we look at whether that price is being... Yeah, there it is. Perfect. Alright, good. This. Tip button. Tip script. Toggle tool tips. Ooh. This is what keeps track of whether it's on or off, doesn't it? It is. Okay. Then I'll take this button and put it into the panel script. I believe that's how I'm going to do this. So, public button. No, wait, what? I thought that was a type. Oh, toggle. I also need this. Whoops. Use n.ui. Toggle. There we go. TT toggle. Tooltip toggle. So let's give you that. Excuse me. This. Yeah. Let's make this bigger, smaller. Not you. You. There we go. Okay. So bottom panel has a panel script. PT toggle. There. Tooltip button. And then that's the bottom panel. We have the options panel. Which, once again, this will be TT button. And then piece panel. Panel script. Okay, so those three things all have it. So if you're the bottom panel and your Y is over 0, that means you're opened. So we actually want to, if you're closed, this is going to call PT toggle. Can you call the button like it's being pressed? Can you invoke a button? Is that it? Is it invoke? Invokes a method in time. No, I want to push the button. The toggle must have that kind of function, right? Let's look it up. Unity toggle button. Oh my god, their fucking documentation is so broken. Shit's so broken here. There we go. Oh, Google's like implementing their search wrong or something. It's weird. Super weird. Okay, this doesn't explain what I want to know. I want to know via script how to push a toggle button. Unity script push toggle button. Why'd I remove the background stuff? You mean why is it that the button doesn't look as much like a button now? That's because my art director told me to. Push toggle button via script. Gotta trigger a button click from script. Yeah, dot invoke. What do you know? Okay, so maybe that does work. This guy's doing it empty though. Doesn't make sense. Let's look at the just call back runtime persistent. Well, maybe it is just empty. I don't know. Method name time. I mean, is this gonna error if I try to file? Yeah, there's no argument. Then we want to invoke an on-click, so I think if we put on-click invoke. Nope. The example given said, is it on click? It's only on pointer click. So I don't know if it thinks that's a thing. Reference to the button dot on. Enter click, deselect. Yeah, no. This isn't working the way this guy thinks it does. In fact, he links to a 404 documentation. That's fantastic. Folks, the method in time seconds. So why don't we just do the method that it had? I don't know if this will work because of the fact that now I have to reference multiple things. Oh, the parallax background. Yeah, again, art director. He said it was too distracting. Doesn't put enough focus on the game itself. I only kind of disagree, but unfortunately, the way that that background was made by my artist, it didn't leave much customization. So it's actually for the better that I don't bother having it at all. Okay. So the method being tooltip script toggle tooltips. Tooltip script toggle tool. Yeah, you don't want to do this, do you? Because you don't know what the method is. So there's the only reason I was referencing this button was to push it, but I can't, which means I have to do some other bullshit. I mean, I do have to say, I have to change its is on, essentially. And then call the thing that it's calling, which means going back and referencing tooltip script. Tooltip script. But that's not what I want to do because I actually need to call it out as a delegate. Maybe this will work actually. Toggle. Where's tooltip script? Script. Toggle tooltips. No. Is on. If it's true. Okay. We actually set that but false. Not true. This is when we're opening it while the tooltips are on. So this is for the bottom panel. But yeah, tooltip script isn't a single thing. Is it? How am I doing this actually? I don't know. Let me look at this for a second. Yeah, every single tooltip has a tooltip script in it, right? No? No, I don't know what I'm doing. Hold on. No, I don't. I don't know what I'm doing. What is this? Oh, I'm just going through in each one, and the tooltip script is actually on the camera, isn't it? It is! It's on the camera. Alright. So this is easier than I thought. Yay! Past Dave isn't a total dummy. Okay, you, script, camera, play. Dude, seriously? Beats me, dude. It's because it's going for a specific look. You know, honestly, he's probably going to bring it back before we're done. Because the thing is that the reason he got rid of so much stuff is so that we could simplify what it is we're working on. This is just sort of how he works. For example, notice that the pieces now look plasticky again when originally we got rid of the plastic look to keep it cartoony. It looks better plasticky now that the colors are correct, which we could only really fine tune once we were in the cartoony mode. He's a crazy person, I can't help it. But he has a good eye, so I can't really argue with him. He has a better eye than me, so I'm willing to bet the parallax will come back in some capacity at some point, but we'll see. Okay, so we can open and close this, nothing happens. We can have this stuff and close, nothing happens. We turn tooltips on, we open this, turns off the tooltips. We have this open, we click this, close it, doesn't matter. Okay, so we want this to close when tooltips is tapped. So we do toggle tooltips on the bottom panel when the tooltips is hit. We can do that. If toggle tooltips is not on, that's where you, with the we're going to do this call. We're going to call it on panel script. Panel script. Panel script. Panel script. No, it's public. It'll already be set. So we go down here. Do panel script. Toggle panel. This music is like, what the fuck? Ah, there it goes. Tooltip script. Right, we're in here. Go down, go to here. And we're going to apply the bottom panel. Okay. We'll eventually do it again with the options panel. So we have, oh, what? Stack Overflow, classic. Something's calling toggle panel. So name isn't set. Okay. You getting sassy at me, Gene? I have been considering not making this a free-to-play game. The pricing is not finalized, let's just put it that way. Okay. How do I want to do this? See, I thought this was calling the panel script inside of the bottom panel because I told it to. But apparently, that's not the case. Or it's a weird case. I don't know. It's like, what, it's not getting the name? Go ahead and just attach and figure this out. Yeah, I'm doing this for the sake of being a game I always wanted to play, and so that I don't have to go back to work. Not or, and. Okay, so this, oh, wait a minute. This should just work. Why is this being called a second time? And a third time, and a fourth time, and why is this being called so many times? What the fuck is going on? Okay, that's an issue. What the fuck? Yeah, okay, I actually didn't know what a... Right, this is like calling itself. I've created a monster. Because it goes and it hits toggle, which goes back and hits this, and yada yada yada. Okay, yeah. Stack Overflow, infinite loop. Cool job, Dave. Well, let's pin all this since this is what we're using. We're not using ball spawner or the buy or upgrade buttons or the marble audio. A tip, and then there's is that it? Toggle tool tips. Toggle tool tips. Goes back and yeah, okay. Go forth and do it, dude. I mean, I'm helping a friend make his profitable game not be shitty in the way that mobile games are, and we've done a pretty decent job, and we've gotten a decent following for it. It's a very high-rated game on iOS too, because of the fact that it doesn't have all that bullshit that mobile usually has. So, feeling pretty good ethically about all this. Just gonna put that out there. Like, I am wholly against mobile games in general. I hate iOS. I hate Apple. I've made that clear enough. So why not do something that feels good and disrupts the market? Well, it doesn't disrupt the market, unfortunately. You'll never disrupt King.com. You'll never disrupt whatever that is, company, Tencent. You'll never disrupt them. Not alone. Not with 100 people, even. But at least you can do something that makes you feel good. Why the fuck not? And if it makes you enough money that you can live, all the better. Okay, so I need to rethink this because I'm doing this all wrong. I need water. I'll be right back. I'm gonna get water. on. Put it back. Get banana bread. Made banana bread from scratch. Not that good. But it's not that bad either. Needed more, I don't know, cinnamon. What's this? Hey. That's supposed to happen. No. That's a good bug though. Basically what happened was I think you triggered the golden pieces to spawn somehow. What the hell happened there? That's weird. Oh, you bought them all. Okay. So then what's the bug? Oh, is it because it's $0? I think that's a bug that I've already fixed. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I already fixed that bug. Thank you for the report, though. Appreciate it. I need to go and buy bananas. I ran out. It's time to fix the panel script. I think that's the actual trick here. No, I said this banana bread wasn't that good. I'll take it back. This banana bread is good. It could be better. It doesn't have a lot of punch to it. It needs butter to be good, you know, but once you get that butter on there, pretty decent. Plus I made it like 3 days ago and it's still fresh. I've been sealing it appropriately and properly, and it's got this like polymer reusable plastic wrap. You cover the whole loaf in it and it just stays nice and moist. No, I don't put... Look. When it comes to muffins or bread or any kind of bready thing, I don't know what else there is. Oh, like bagels, donuts. When it comes to any of that stuff, I do not want anything crunchy or hard inside, right? I need consistent like texture in that bread product throughout. Now, if I put the chocolate chips in ahead of the bake so that they melted inside of the bake, yes, I am good with that. That's fine. No, I didn't do that. But I wasn't necessarily going for a chocolatey banana bread in the first place. But if it's the kind where it's like hard chips inside of the bread, I don't even know how to do that, to be honest with you. It's gonna melt either way, isn't it? But yeah, I don't like nuts in my bread product. Blueberry muffins are amazing. I love fruits and blueberries as long as it's like, you know, it just keeps the texture. Soft chocolate in the bread. I mean, if you're saying like it'll soften as in the chewiness of the bread will stay the same consistency whether I'm biting into a piece of chocolate or not, yes, I agree. What is this? Layering pieces. Yeah, I know the arrows are broken on layered pieces. That's not gonna get fixed. Because I honestly don't know how I'm gonna do that without messing up a whole bunch of shit. More likely than not, that will get fixed if I get enough money to hire a better artist. And then we'll redo the art for all the pieces, and the arrows are going to be included in the art, and then they'll be able to layer properly. But as is, unfortunately, they will have to be broken. But it's not that big of a deal, because what are you doing overlapping pieces when that's going to break shit? You can't stack ramps to increase their effect unless you're specifically talking about the push. Yes, that's intended. If it's making the balls like shoot off further than they're supposed to, absolutely intentional. I hope you enjoy it. But it's not going to stack the points. That's the important part. As long as the points don't stack, it's all good. That still works, right? I need to make sure of that. Yeah, that still works. Good. That's actually the fact, you know what, Otherworlds? The fact that you told me that, because I had never done it before, the fact you found that makes me think maybe I should decrease the power of the ramps and use stacking ramps as like a way of like deciding the power of a ramp, because right now the ramps are already really powerful. I don't know. Well, I was eventually going to have the ramp power be selectable inside of the piece thing. So, did I not get rid of that thing to stop the stack overflow from occurring? What the fuck? Oh, I didn't, because I'm an idiot. Alright. Okay, back to the coding. Back to the coding. Super eating. Yeah, super eating is fun. Maybe it doesn't get you a lot of points, but it's fun. Okay, private dual is on. Is not is on. We want to think of it more as like the panel is either activated, interactable, I don't know. And the problem is that because we're using an animation, we have to check when the animation is done to know whether the panel's actually out or not, because if you click on a thing over and over again, it'll do the animation multiple times. So like if I did like panel open, panel not open, panel open, panel not open, panel open, panel not open, it's gonna think it's not open, but I tapped it twice. And it has to just redo the animation, so it's like doesn't actually know whether it's open or not when you do this shit. So fuck me. So maybe a timer, since this is what, half a second, 1,000. Yeah, I think that's a half second. We'll do a coroutine. It does a timer. It checks if it's greater than or less than, and the name. It'll do the appropriate thing. All right. Bullshit time. I don't give a photid. Hi, I don't give a photid. I don't give a fuck on a Thursday, you dig? I don't give a fuck on a Thursday, you dig? That's your name, right? Well, it is Thursday, isn't it? Oh no, it's Wednesday. Oh, thank God it's Wednesday. Please correct me. What is your name? Okay, we have bottom panel, we have options panel, we have piece panel. Let's go ahead and just use those three things to make this actually work right. So if name equals piece panel, if name is options, and if name bottom panel. So this one here. I don't give a fuck. OT. Wait, what? OT? About anything that you do. Or, I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck or about anything that you do. I don't understand the word or being in that sentence. I don't give a fuck or about. I don't give a fuck or about anything that you do. Shouldn't it just be I don't give a fuck about anything that you do? I'm sorry. If you're not a native English speaker, that is a confusing sentence. I mean, if you're not a native English speaker, I, as a native English speaker, want you to know that that sentence confuses me. But maybe I'm just reading it wrong. What's the best way to reset the demo? The best way to reset the demo is to use the delete all pieces button in the options, and then hit Shift X to reset your score. That should do it. Alright, if you're in the P panel, you're up on the bump panel. So private bool is extended. Is open. Just is open. Everything starts off not open. It's laggy as fuck. Oh, then I guess I have a memory leak in my game. I don't even know where to fucking start with that. I'm sorry. I mean, you do that and then it'll save after 5 seconds, so then refresh. Is it laggy as fuck if you refresh after doing that? Didn't give a fuck about my Twitch's name. That's a good story. Good job. that's what'll open it. Okay, so it is open. So that can stay false. Okay, good. Toggle panel. If panel name is that. Direction. Side direction. With an X. With an X. It's actually confusing. And this is just going to be is open. Else. Right, and then you will do Grand Zero is open, so it should be, it's open. It's open. We have to do like a coroutine thing, I think, here. Let's see if this works. Nope. Open. Wait, what? Oh, I was in the wrong script. Okay. Straight up delete that, actually. Marginally better? You're earning money with no pieces, but it's like, what, $1, isn't it? You're supposed to earn like $1 every 10 seconds or something. So that if you accidentally make yourself have 0 objects, 0 pieces every few minutes. Well, that works too. Hey, Elise. How's it going? Okay, let's go with that. Yeah, that's incorrect. That's... okay. Alright, so only that one's wrong. So this is actually working out the way I want it to. That's good. Let's watch it break. Should we put it afterwards? Doubt this will work, but it would be funny. I would really appreciate it if this worked. Can't do... well, of course not. I'm doing it wrong, but... yeah, I don't know how to fix your lag. That's messed up. You are supposed to earn $1 every once in a while, so that if you make yourself completely poor and deleted all the pieces, then you can do something about it. But come to think of it, I can get rid of that now because there's no way to get yourself to $0 with no pieces. So, final phase of the first boss fight. Nice. Tycoon game. I wouldn't call it a tycoon game. I'd call it an idle incremental. But I guess maybe, you know, just earn... I guess, you know what? It is a tycoon game. Nobody's said that before, but now that I think about it, if I got rid of the ability to earn dollars while the game was turned off, it would be a tycoon game. It'll start mobile, but it'll eventually be on other platforms. I've been thinking of completely excising the offline earnings because of how weird it is to make it work. And it means you'll be playing more if you have to actually have it on to earn anything. Alright, so that's... okay, so only initially that was broken. This one is not broken at all. Not broken at all. Double tap and... oh wait. Oh, wait a minute, is this... oh. Wait, I like this better actually. Oh, sweet. Okay, so this just needs to have its own so that it starts correctly. Because that's wrong. But the rest work correctly. That's cool. Thank you for the bit. I appreciate that. Yeah, take the crown. You're just lucky Capybara is missing, otherwise he would have a bit fight with you. Okay, so if I do that one... so this part's correct, it's just that at start, if this is the piece panel, then is open equals true? But then that means that it's keeping track of the wrong thing. Yeah. Because it's not actually open. Okay, here's what we gotta do. We have to create this. All set. Check. That'll be the options one. This will be the piece one. And for the piece one, you flip these two. And then we're good. Now it'll actually keep track of the appropriate thing. And then when something calls in asking if it's open or not, it'll actually know the truth. Boop, 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 boop. Good, 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 good. All right. Huh. Yeah, when every word in every sentence is capitalized, that's wild. How do you get the outside part of the Unity interface to change color when you press play? I could never find that out. Yeah, I actually was instructed on how to do that from another developer when I kept complaining about changing stuff. While it was in play mode. So... I don't know if you can see this. I don't think you can. Let me find it. Yeah, there it is. So, okay, in Unity, you can't see this unfortunately. You go to Edit, and then you go to Preferences, and inside of Preferences is a Colors tab. In there is the second subsection is General, and the only color it has is Play Mode Tint, and you simply change that to whatever color you want. Other worlds, that's broken in that particular build. Don't worry about it. That is fixed. That is a fixed bug. Excuse me. Water went down the wrong tube. Ugh. Okay. So I think this does what I want now. That's really, really cool. So now we can actually track if is open as true or not, and then do a toggle. Okay, wait a minute. What calls this like that? Anything? Yes, something. Is it just that? It's just that. Okay. Set delete mode. Okay. So let's try to see if we can use this correctly now. All with true to get overloaded version. So instead of if closed, wait, if closed. Oh, right, because I'm calling, yeah, okay. So, oh, right, this is a, yeah, no, this is a good, this call is fine. Okay, so if you're closed is, wait, true? Call with true to get overload. No. You want to say is closed, is it closed? False. Well, hold on. I think that's true. It makes more sense if I change this from closed to open. Open. Okay, so it gets called if open and is open, then call toggle panel. I think that should be the right thing. That's yeah, delete mode. Okay. You go, Elise, you go to edit, preferences. So the toolbar at the top, edit, all the way near the bottom, it's preferences. And then there's a colors menu. And the second sub menu inside of colors is general. And the only color in there is play mode tint. There you go. You should clip me saying that if you don't think you'll be able to do it. Okay. So essentially, is this open? Hit this, it's closed, good. Hit it a bunch of times, nothing happens. Open, closed, open, nothing, closed. Perfect. Okay. So that's working good. Tooltip script. I am making this in Unity. I'm using Visual Studio with C#, Unity's programming language. Yay! Yeah, set it to something bright red so that you know not to change shit while it's in play mode. I changed it to green and I still changed stuff in play mode by accident, but whatever. So tooltip script. I want this to close this lower panel script when it's toggled. So that, oh yeah, you know what? This is a perfect example here. Panel script. This one's getting that piece. This panel script is getting the bottom one. So panel script toggle true. Should do the right thing. Now, if I do toggle tooltips from panel script, that can get into a Stack Overflow. So then I need an overloaded toggle tooltips. Okay, I can do that. Cool. Are on. If on. And is on. Tooltip script doesn't know if tooltips are on or not, does it? Actually, no, I can just do this. If they're on, it'll just... Oh, wait, I don't really want to do that, though. Do I? No, the script should keep track of if they're on or not. Alright. Private pool. The button should know if they're on or not. Oh, shit. Oh man, okay. This is getting more complicated because I'm realizing now that the button's a toggle. Other things can change that toggle, so that toggle has to be changed. Okay. So toggle, tooltip toggle. Alright, so iron and tooltip toggle. Does this have an is on? It does. Okay. And is on equals true. Perfect. All right. If this happens, do this. That's it. Nothing else happens otherwise. Okay. I think that's it. And then it won't call itself again via this. But then it has to change this toggle. Yeah. Okay. All right. Let's see if that works. Good luck, Elise. Yeah, I intend on releasing it. It's also fun. I made it because I wanted it. So, okay, that's working. No more Stack Overflow. This works. Open this up, close this. All right, so that doesn't work. Let's take a look at options panel. Tooltip button is on. Okay, that's not changing it. And then panel script. Oh, wait a minute. Maybe I did that wrong. Hold on. This, do this. There it is, there it is. Okay, we turn that on. No, turn it off and it closes. That's not correct. Whoops. Okay, so it's just basically calling at the wrong point. Get that script. So tooltip script. If true, turn them on. And close the panel. I should do it. All right, and then in panel script, if bottom panel is open. Now, close it. This we'll call tooltip strip. TT script dot toggle tooltips with true Boom! This should finally get the UI working the way I want it to. Yeah, consider that purple very temporary. Okay, that's fine. Open and closing is fine. Boom! That closes it. Very good. This is on. We open it up, it closes tooltips. Very good. Exactly how that's supposed to work. Fuck yes. Alright. None of that was in my to-do list, was it? Turn off tooltips if piece panel is opened. If piece panel is opened? Yeah, that's done. It wasn't supposed to be piece panel, but whatever. Let's people turn the tooltips on. Yes, done. When add button click, close the purchase window. Okay, that one we can do real quick also. Let's find, we want to keep panel, not tooltips, that's fine. We want to add script, and that, okay. So, let's find where the trigger being pushed is. Go to button, show add button, calls, show add. Show add. Okay, it's at the bottom. So this will show the ad. What you're also going to do, though, is close the piece panel. So we give you a public panel script. Thanks for that autocomplete, buddy. Script. That. Panel. Script. Toggle panel true, and then we simply tell that its reference is the piece panel, and we're set. That'll all just work. So let's see, we got the add script view, piece panel. So now, when this is opened, we watch an ad and we hit close, it doesn't buy something. It just opens up the panel instead. If this is closed, we click it, it opens it. Yeah, alright, I'm fine with that. That's all good. That bug's fixed. Bugs fixed in less than 30 seconds or your money back. Alright. That is not a promise. I never said that. Yeah, I mean, learning C# is not the easiest thing in the world. Learning Unity is also not the easiest thing in the world. I'm still learning things about Unity, and I'm almost 6 months into development. Mind you, I've developed before. I probably have at least 2 years of Unity development under my belt now, and I'm still learning important shit. Ugh. I mean, it means that when I make another game, I'll be even better at it, but God, I wish I knew all this ahead of time. I'd be like twice as... Well, the game would be released by now. I fucking knew everything that I knew when I started. So, but at least it makes me hireable. I don't want to work on sound effects today. Let's not do that. Let's move that way down to the bottom. Improved options UI. That is more or less done. We'll get rid of that. Well, yeah. Yeah, well, advanced options UI needs fixing, but the animation outcomes are wrong, capability of bonus pieces. Yeah, that's what I'm adding to the UI. If dragging camera. Okay, so let's fix that top bug. That's a bad one. I'll be right back. The water just flows through me. I need to get one of those Germa BRBs. That's pretty good, Elise. Definitely like get some friends who keep track of your progress, because they'll be the ones to push you the most. I got a ping. What was the ping for? What the? Oh. Oh. What the hell? I apparently was pinged for raid coordination in Division 2. Let's just go ahead and mute that channel. Oh, Ellie, sorry. Like this song. It's a good song. And now it's changed. Great. Just when I was into it. Right. So basically we have to look at the code for dragging stuff out of the piece panel and having that count as a purchase. That should be in the buy button script. On pointer up, on pointer down, scale, level scale, first click. And first click pause. Alright, so it's on pointer exit, right? Yeah, so we need to make sure first click pause, which we did a little bit right here. We have to actually check its X and make sure that it was in the right position, and this doesn't know that. So what we want to do is, because that was gonna do let's see here, yeah, we have the drag threshold X. We actually need, wow, this is super fucking simple to fix, and I'm so fucking happy that Past Dave did this correctly. All we need is first click pause.x to be greater than drag threshold x plus 10. And that should
a follower.
Whoop,
Don't catch you slipping now.
take care of everything. Thank you for the follow. Appreciate that. We have 2 Eli's in chat right now. Or is it? Yeah. That's wild. In fact, Eli has now taken over the chat. There are only Eli chatters in my chat now. I should change the stream to Eli chat only. You know, I wish Twitch had a Steam alias function so that I could click your name, add alias, and then name you Eli. So then I would know when I look over to just name, like, call you Eli. Yeah, sorry, Other Worlds, you can't talk anymore. No. No! Just kidding. Alright. Yeah. Okay. Did this compile? I compiled. All right, let's play. Let's make sure this works now. Did I fix the bug in 30 seconds or less? Whoop. I did. But are there any new bugs? No, there are no new bugs. Everything still works. You no longer can drag stuff out with it. Wait, what was that? What was that? Ah, I figured out some other version of the bug. Hold on. Oh, what was that? It's the threshold. Wait, what? Now it's working. Oh no! Oh no! It was fixed and then it wasn't. It's really like goofy when it comes out too. Okay, what is this? What is this? What is going on here? Doesn't work, doesn't work, doesn't work. Doesn't work, doesn't work. Isn't working. Can't get it to happen again. Oh, this is similar to the other bug I fixed. Okay. No, it breaks as soon as, I think, what, something's selected? Or it's as soon as something is purchased? It's either selected or purchased. Let's find out. Alright, so. This is out. Doesn't do anything. Select, out. Still doesn't do anything. Okay, so it's only on purchase. And then it breaks. Okay. Alright, so that was similar to another bug I had to fix, and I can't remember where I fixed it, but I think it was in here. I think it was dragging. So first click isn't getting tracked appropriately after a purchase. Debug it this way. I have a lot of commented code just in case I need it. Like, I'm really bad at deleting code. I always have a ton of commented code. It's like, oh, I needed that for a specific thing. If you ever see a chunk of commented code without an actual comment above it, that's me being a terrible programmer. By the way, I'm really bad at programming. I'm a really bad programmer. Just gonna put that out there. It's worth mentioning. All right, console. Where's my first click? Console. About there. No? Oh, there you go. Okay, so first click is there. First click is there. And now it's not doing the bug. Oh, there's the bug. Wait a minute. You think my first click is 1, 2, 3, 9 when it's like over here? Oh, it's stuck on 1, 2, 3, 9, which means it's not. Oh, it's like always the same number. Wait a minute. What in the fuck? Like only specific pieces? Oh, this is really fucking weird. Or is it only the pieces that I drag out initially? So if I do this and then it'll be this piece? Oh my god, it is! Is that because this is a script inside of each button, not a global button? Fuck me! Because on pointer down isn't called for every single button on every single click. It's only called when you actually click inside of the thing and then it's not cleared. So the only reason it works in the first place is because there's no value there in the first place. Oh my god. Alright. Okay. Well, at least now I know why it's broken. But how do I want to fix this? I mean, I could just clear the value again. But it's not a good idea to have it be void. Or null, I mean. Like, first click pause does have an initial value, right? It doesn't. Does it? No, it doesn't. So the only reason it fails is because it's null when it's first checked. So I guess I could just... yeah! No, I could do that. I'll just zero it out after every build. That's fine. I shouldn't have it be null. I don't want to check null against a value. So we'll just zero it out. And we'll also set that at the start. I think that'll be good enough. I'll see you later, Eli. Yeah, in other words, the thing is I do keep a proper Git history, but I don't like the way that checking Git history works. I think it's really awful looking, and I hate reading shit through that. I'd rather just have a bunch of comments. Plus, I do every once in a while go through and clear them, like when I'm absolutely satisfied with the way something works. And I feel like going through, every time I go through and delete comments, I actually find more stuff to optimize, so it's actually a really great way to re-optimize all your code by forcing yourself to go through and picking shit up. Yeah, I know people like Scratch. I mean, I love that copy and paste exists. Look at, I don't even have my shit up, but I know that it's breaking right now. God damn it. Copy and paste is great. You know what's even greater? Using 2 thumb buttons on your mouse to do copy and paste. Wow, Italian chef kiss there. That does that. That did that. Did it top? Did it compile? It did. That's why I broke. Alright. Let's see if the bug is fixed. Delete these. We can do this and it's fine. We can do this. And it doesn't build anything. Bug is not fixed. And this really shows that bug is very much not fixed. Oh, fuck me. Fucking idle fucking bug. Alright, anyways, there we go. Yeah. Yeah, no. This is fixed. Yay, it is fixed. Alright, I'm just an idiot. Hooray, I'm just an idiot, yay! Alright, cool. It's not gonna build anything. Not really showing the right numbers in the log either. Which is a little bit... Oh no, it's not going down anymore, that's why. Alright, so if I could do this... Alright, it doesn't log anymore, that's good. If I do this, that doesn't work either, very good. If I do this, right, if I do this, good. None of this dragging is working. All of that is. Yes! Bug. Fixed. Alright. Hey Dragon, how's it going? How to do what, Eli? Just knocking out bugs, basically, and adding little functionality that I feel like needs to be in the final version. Oh, copy paste on your mouse buttons. That depends on your mouse. What mouse do you have? I have a Logitech mouse, which means I have Logitech gaming software. And inside of that is where you can set custom buttons. Most mice have custom button software. That's where you can change your copy pastes. It's from the Viper brand. Razer? I think Razer has the Viper logo. I don't know. I can't. Whatever. Anyways, you check your mouse software. That's how you do it. I don't think I've heard of those. By where exactly would you say you are in terms of development? I'm always almost done, Dragon. I've been almost done for like 2.5 months now. It's the final stretch. I don't know how else to put it. I just keep thinking of things that need to be in it. I keep finding bugs that need to be fixed. The art isn't done. Oh yeah, I guess, you know, in terms of like gameplay, yeah, I'm in beta because you can actually go and play the game. Have a demo. Does anybody remember what the URL is? Somebody else usually posts it. Actually, no, I have it right here. Yes, it's in beta. It's in beta. This is a limited demo. Alright, what am I doing now? You have the ability to remove bonus pieces. Right, so that's a simple toggle. Let's go and find out how we reference the bonus pieces. So we've got one here. Over there with C. Alright, so we got bonus clone. And they have bonus tags. They're the only things with bonus tags as far as I know. Bonus. Okay. What are your scripts? Ugh, your collisions are all broken. I need to fix them. Animations aren't even necessary on them. These are just weird ass pieces. I am now noticing that the latest version of Unity separates out mesh render into different groups like this. That's neat. I don't know how useful that is. Whatever, anyways, tube slide, Do these not have the script? They don't, because the ball is the thing that cares. that's probably for the best. So in other words, all I have to do is find the objects with bonus tags, set them as not active, and then hope that while they're not active, the changer script can change. All right, so we'll go into the timer. That changes how often the bonuses swap. Oh yeah. Give the player $1 every minute so they can't end up with $0 and 0 ball spawners. There you go, other worlds. It was every minute that you got $1. Okay. Bonus timer is at 3,600. We'll make that every 5 seconds. Let's make sure that works. You have a good night, Max. Sleep well. Patriot Viper. Patriot Viper. Huh. Whoa! Do you have the V570? Because, yeah, if you're not using the custom buttons on this thing, what the hell? This button, this, oh my god. If they made like a flatter version of this mouse, I would probably buy it next. This is a nice fucking mouse. That's a lot of thumb buttons. You could do a lot with that, but it looks like it doesn't have a mouse wheel unlock, which I want now. And it's a little too humped. I really want fucking flatter mice. Humps are what give you RSI as far as I know. Could be wrong about that. Are flat mice better? Wow, somebody did a whole fucking like medical thing on this. Results. All of the concept mice were shown to reduce forearm pronation relative to the traditional flat mouse. There are no differences in pointing performance. Fully vertical mouse reduced, but had the poorest pointing performance. Perceived fatigue and subject are consistently better for one concept mouse. Increasing mouse height and angling the mouse top case can improve wrist posture without negatively... Huh. So flat mice are not as good as angled mice. Oh wait, no, this might not be what I'm... Like, this isn't like humped mice though, is it? They don't have any pictures in this, do they? Damn it. Fucking research papers. This is the abstract. Now, give me the summary? I want to know what they mean by angled, goddammit. They probably mean something else. Now you got me all worked up over mice. Whatever. Anyways, back to chat. Hi, sorry. The V530. Let's take a look at what you got. Oh, you have the novice mouse. But yeah, you have the two side buttons. There's totally a way to... Yeah, it has a custom profile selector. Just get the Viper software. You'll be able to do it. You can set it to copy paste. No, Dragon, I know which one you're talking about. The one that basically has a whole fucking numpad on the side of it. No, it's actually better than that. It's a it's like somewhere between having a whole numpad and having just the 2 mouse buttons. It's like 5 mouse buttons, all of which are like shaped to your thumb so that you can hit any one of the 5. It's pretty nice. Oh no, I don't have anything against the numpad mouse other than it looks really dumb. Oh. Don't know use the macro editor. Huh. Figure it out! You figured out Unity, you can figure out your mouse software, I'm sure. Depends on how much you really need that copy-paste. Alright, so are they changing every 5 seconds? 3, 4, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, swap. I can't really fast. Okay, so they're swapping, that's good. So then next, what we do is we set up a button inside of the advanced options. The song is getting a little bit repetitive. Excuse me. That was a banana burp. Banana bread burp. It was a triple B. Alright, disable bonus pieces. Labels are still in here. No, those are still supposed to be gone. No more links. No more links. Okay. So this will call something that does this stuff. I guess it'll just be in the game script where everything else is. I shouldn't do that. I need to start actually separating my fucking functions out to different scripts. So I'm gonna do that right now by adding the camera script. Bonus piece disabler. Can this song end yet? Please. Bonus piece disabler script. Alright. So all we're gonna do, oh thank God, is make an array, find all the objects with the tag, set them to inactive, hopefully be able to, no, wait. Okay, I do need to find this timer. That's it. Okay, so it's only in here. Destroy spawn bonuses. So spawn bonuses has to detect. So let's find spawn bonuses. Bonus positions. Ugh. Okay. How necessary was that? What was that? What does that do? Yeah. Okay. So both that and the overridden one. So yeah, we got 2 different kinds here, and both of them need to actually keep track of this option. Great. These are in game script. Of course they're in game script. Actually, maybe. might be a good time to finally separate some shit out. Well, maybe not. Alright, anyways. Right, so this is the whole thing where it tries to make sure it can find a space to even spawn into. And tries to do it twice. Yeah, tries to do it twice. I really have to think about where exactly I want to do this disabling. Alright, it's a good chat. Carmack was on Joe Rogan. Yeah, Joe Rogan needs to fall into a hole and never come out of it.
Downtempo techno ambient chill groove salad on Soma FM.
But then again, I thought the same thing about Howard Stern. And it's obvious that Joe Rogan is now the new age Howard Stern, so just a lot dumber. Howard Stern was smartly manipulative. Joe Rogan is just stupid. I don't know what Carmack is doing. I don't know, maybe he wants some kind of cred that he didn't have before. I need to wash out my sinuses. Hey, what the? Wait a minute. Oh, okay. Where am I at? What am I doing? I need to go to the bathroom. Too much water. Too much water.
I see colors of red, white, and blue.
I read a thing that says if you're the water's going right through you, you're drinking it too fast. So I need to make this a little more out of reach, so I don't drink so much. I don't use the raise that often, but I'm using one right now. How do I change the length of it from a script? Unfortunately, we're doing the opposite of what we do on this stream. I'm the one who asks the chat for help, not the other way around. Off the top of my head, I don't know! That is something that you have to find out the way I find out, which is using Google. No, it's okay. I'm kidding when I say that you're not allowed to do that.
Colors.
You can ask me questions. I mean, I answered the one about changing the color while the play mode is on, right? Hey, what's up, pizza? But yeah, I don't know. You're probably going to have to end up using something other than an array, since an array is set at instantiation. You're going to probably have to deal with like a dict. Something like that. I don't know. Okay, let's see here. Is code exactly the same? So it's exactly the same, but it's just saying you already have the things and the bonus pauses have been found already. Right, okay, so it's bonus pauses found. And we have it. Yeah, it's not playing. Okay, good. Excuse me. Add script, not on. Not in panel script anymore either. We are now in bonus piece disabler. Disable toggle bonus pieces. Alright. So this is going to contain the toggle, which unfortunately I'm dumb and haven't done the thing up here using Unity Editor. No, Unity Engine. Do I? Okay, now you know what a toggle is. Toggle bonus. Bonus. command, which is here. Then you tell the disabler script what those two pieces are. And then the disabler script, once told that, will check to see if they're supposed to be disabled, and if they are, then it'll turn them off. Okay, I think that's going to work. Yeah, okay. Public void set bonus pieces. And that'll take game object array. Excuse me. Bonuses. Those banana bread verbs. And because this is going to get that from here, we no longer need to do a find with tag. And even bonuses is going to come from... Shit, is this going to work? Let's find out. Actually, no. This has to stick. This will stick. And then we say not bonuses, but pieces, and then just stick with pieces. Bonuses will equal pieces. Good. Okay. Bonus piece disabler script will be set from here. Let's see. Do I have any? Stuff. Okay. Nope. Think about it. This piece disabler script. Piece disabler. I don't think this will work. It's even better. But it's worth trying. Yeah? What do you think? Hold up. Now what do you think? No. Damn. Shouldn't the list just be that? List. Got ya. Am I really not allowed to do that? Oh. Wait, what? Does that work? No. Does that work? Yeah. Okay, so on the... We want to do this over here too. So on this end, debug log pieces. I'm curious to see if that even Yeah. All right, let's find out. All sorts of errors. Woohoo! Check that out. Schrodinger's bonus piece. If you try to look at it, it'll go somewhere else. It's a quantum piece. Oh my god, I could do some really cool shit with this game if I started quantum mechanicking it. Yeah, the thing is that I have to like set that a thing in here. No? No? No, I do. I do. It's up here. Right? Yeah, piece disabler. There you go. No, I just hit compile on Unity. That doesn't work. All right, we got. Yeah. Okay. All right. You can now disable and enable them. Okay, the only thing left is to check for disabled pieces when it does the respawn, and we'll be set. Fuck yes! This is working out. All right. So just do this, and then if toggle bonus is on. If not toggle bonus. Actually, that's the only time we have to do any action at all. Then fucking set them to false. Got the 4 each. Yeah, that should do it. It might blink them, which is a problem. Well, that didn't work. Oh, now they're like swapped with the is on. Fucking hell. I guess. Oh, right, no, that's supposed to be. Dummy Dave. Dummy Dave. Only because of the way the toggle works, it's reversed. Alright. Now we're gonna go. Disables the bonus puzzles. Now we'll watch the entire scene. Can we see them pop? No. No, we can't. That's good. It's very good. Wait a minute. Is that? I'm gonna assume that was one of mine. So I can, okay, then they come back up. I can do this. Oh, it doesn't. Good. I don't know where they are. But the timer is correct. They keep the timer, which is good. Fuck, yes, it does what I want. Okay, good. Now you can turn off the bonus pieces if you don't want them anymore. Okay, idle calculations are wrong. Clicking on UI shouldn't cancel ball cam. We're in UI, let's do UI. We've been doing so much UI right now. Oh, just breezing through these to-dos today. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Having people watching my stream is what pushes me to actually get my shit done. So, I say this every time I do this, and I'm not gonna stop. Thank you so much. Okay, let's see here. Thank you, pizza. Oh, that's very nice of you. Oh, I never got rid of this thing. Okay, let's get rid of that thing. So, clicking on UI shouldn't cancel the ball cam. This one, I might not get around to. Because ball cams disabling is something nice and simple, and it might be weird to make it something not. Thanks, Eli. It's very nice of you. Well, so this is more or less just a let's go check the code and see if I can make this work kind of thing. And it's essentially we go through to oh yeah, I gotta fix that at some point. Oh, whatever. We go through to the raycast type code, and oh, that's right, I changed it to using input script stuff. So did I actually get rid of all that stuff? There were some event filters. Yeah, event system, there we go. So basically we want to look at if ball cam's on and the only thing that got clicked was an event system, then don't disable. Which I think we can actually manage that from the input script. So we can add a new thing to the input script and use that to control the ball cam. So let's find out how simple that is. I think I did that. I actually did get it to be the last clicked spawner. Let me double check. That's spawn select. Yeah, it is. Okay. That 2D is done. Hey, it's always nice to find a 2D that you already did. Okay, so that's ball cam clicked. But oh no. Okay, let's look at ball spawner script. Ball cam clicked. Ball cam on, ball cam is true. Ball cam. Follow ball is new ball. Find follow ball. Okay, follow ball. Yeah, you know what? That's the thing. Oh, so what sets follow ball to null? That's where this is the crux. This is where everything matters. So this is just checking the input script for a down click. However, instead, it should check for a downclick off event. Events. And then we'll add here public bool downclick off events. which is simply if input dot touch hold on, let's go back one moment and find the event system stuff I had, because that's what's going to get copied over. So you want this. If touch count is more than 1, which means there's touching. If there's touching and event system is what it's over. Pointer is touching is true? I don't know about that. I think it just returned true. Let me see, what was this for? Cast right for down click. So pointer's touching, that's when it does. That's a weird comment. This is for dragging pieces, and whether it's camera movement or not. This will check if it's camera movement or piece movement. So yeah, it's any of that. So it's essentially this stuff is going to return true off of and off events. Otherwise it'll return false. That should actually take care of it. Fuck. Event system comes from this and this. All right, so let's get the camera going, the ball cam going. Yeah, we gotta set the advanced options panel back to being disabled. All right. So we say ball cam. Ball cam's on. Nope. Oh no, wait. Why did that break? Hold on. Oh, and now I can't turn it off. No! Oh, it's the opposite of what it has to be. Well, that makes sense. No, what is... Yeah, as soon as it's over UI, it breaks. Alright, yeah, that's not really... Oh, it's the opposite of what I wanted. Okay, Is pointer over? First of all, that's not... Hold on, I missed something. I missed something very important. All you did was give your boss 2 swords and it got so much harder. You love it. I'm curious about your game. I mean, I'm always curious when I have a game developer come in here. I want to see everybody's games. But if I did it now, I'd lose track of my own work. Take, Eli, if you don't mind, take a screenshot of your game. I'm curious what it's like. Okay, this was if touch count and then else da da da. Pointer is touching is true. Pointer. Huh. Weird. Okay, let's do it this way. First of all, this should be good. Damn it, that was the wrong button. There we go. You made something long ago. You need to port it. Oh, nice. A little skate arena. Yeah, you absolutely have to be able to drive around in that. See, okay, yes. The top right, that's what I want. The top right of that arena, like the sort of deserty thing, that, but like vast. That, like, as large as you can make it without losing performance. I want to drive on that. Just free roam forever. Alright. What do we got? What are we gonna do here? So we've got input.touch count, but what we needed was... What do we need? Am I done with bonus? I'm done with bonus piece disabler. Okay. But wait a minute. We needed this. Okay, so we're gonna pin this now. Follow ball null. Input script. It was once input script. What? Mouse down click or something. So okay. So if input script mouse down. You don't know what input script is. All right, input mouse down. Okay, I think this might be what I want. Input script, down click off events. Down click off events, if that, null it. Okay. Also, the map is like you are an RC car type of map. It's purposely oversized. That's awesome. All the ramps are strategically placed to max combos. Very awesome. So I'm able to drive randomly generated terrain with swoops. Yeah, I do. Send me a screenshot of the game. I don't have any models for it yet. So a bunch of colorful cubes. That's fine. Okay. Ball cam. Okay. Oh, nope. Clicked on UI, didn't work. Alright. Ball cam. Yeah, this is the opposite of what I wanted. I forget what this is. I forget what this does. No! I'm forgetting things. Okay, cast ray for down click. What is touching for, though? Yeah, let's look at this. No, I don't want, no, I want docs. There's the docs. Is the pointer with the given ID over an event system object? Oh. No, I want the opposite of this. Okay, I think we just set these to false. Otherwise it's true. That checks every frame, right? Yeah, okay. So, Balkan. 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 Balkan doesn't work. Great. I think it's this one specifically that's broken. What if we just do this? Excuse me. Yeah, as soon as you hover over. So you can, you know, do this and stuff, but hover over this and it's gone. I gotta think hard for this one. I mean, it doesn't have to be randomly generated. I'm just saying, yeah, sure, if you want to randomly generate it, go for it. I just want those fucking swoopity swoops. That desert dune shit. Third-person bullet hell RPG. Yeah, sure, put me on the list. Your desert map. What, earlier than the last one you posted? I don't know. Oh, yeah, there it is. You got your buggy in it, and you got red flags. Yeah, no, I like that. The only thing I would say is that because I can actually see the scale of the buggy against the desert, I'm not, like, this is good, I like this, I would want to drive around in this, but what I'm specifically talking about is less mountainous. So that, like, I'd say, like, the dunes are all maybe 2 to 3 times taller than the buggy itself, with the occasional 5 to 6 times taller dune. But, like, being able to just have these sort of small ramps is what I'm into. But valleys are also fun. Like, this is obviously a racetrack, and that's good shit. And then also get rid of all the buildings. My Discord is... What is my Discord? How do I see my full thing? I have streamer mode enabled, so I can't see my full thing. Oh, I just had to click. No, that still doesn't show my full number. I think I'm... No, that's my... I know my Blizzard one. I don't know my Discord one. They're there for decor, yeah. Help, how do I find my fucking number? View profile. I'm just Dave Cap. I guess just find Dave Cap. Think that'll work? I think because I'm in streamer mode, I have no way of seeing it. What if I disable it? I accidentally added Cole as a friend. Yeah, okay, do that. But small dunes are what I want. To me, that's fun driving. Like, I'm the guy who, if there are salt flats in your game, I'm just gonna drive around your salt flats. I just like big, vast spaces where I don't have to worry about flipping and rolling over, but like shows off the suspension of a car, you know? Or a dune buggy, or whatever. I don't know why. It's just a weird thing. I'm a weirdo. What am I doing? I forgot. Cleaning Michigan. Oh yeah, that. So there you go. This is weird. I don't know if I care. Beep boop. Alright, I gotta turn streamer mode back on. I don't even know if I can actually. What? Yeah, I can't. Oh, I found my number. Yeah, it was all because of streamer mode. I couldn't see it. That's fantastic. Hey, Verism, doing good. Getting a lot of stuff done today. Really pleased with myself so far. Alright, time to put your Discord all the way at the bottom. And then, changing the notification settings. Alright. Thank you for the invite. Look forward to trying out your game. Video games that you roam free fall off their maps. Yeah, I know. Viper Race comes to mind. Yeah, I love those games. I want more of those. Nobody makes those anymore. Yeah, that's what I want. I want Viper Racing. I don't think I ever played that. Viper Racing. Oh my god, that's nice. Alright. Yeah, that's cool. I don't see any free roam in this video. Racing, free roam. But I think this is exactly what I'm talking about. Yeah, nobody ever really free roamed in this. Excuse me? Was that? Did I just see two cars stacking? Oh my god, there's like a plane that you could fly. Oh, there's a monster truck. I guess people modded this game. It'd be like really fucking cool. Yeah, make me Viper Racing again. Alright, you now have a goal to make Viper Racing the spiritual sequel. Oh, that's fine, Eli. Massive empty skyboxes. Yeah. Dashboard game where you drove around a desert base in a real car. In a red car. I don't know what you're talking about. I don't know about that Mac dashboard game. Did this work? Did I compile this and not play it yet? The fuck? One thing I should do is if follow ball. Wait, if follow ball not equal null, and so this will get called less. Oh, what am I doing? That's not how to do this. There we go, that's how you do it. So it used to just be down click, right? Yeah, if you can remember, if you can find any video of it, I'd be super curious what that game is. Yeah, so this works. I can hover around, but as soon as I click over here, it breaks. Zoom, which is nice. I have to change the max zoom in. This is too close. Hey, if I can get interested in anybody's game, I'm gonna do it. And if you're close to making something that I've wanted for a while, I'm gonna fucking encourage you. And you're close to making something that I've wanted in a while. I wish I could find... There was this game that I think it was in a game jam. And it was like your mouse controlled how the road was generated, and you were trying to generate the road so that an AI-driven car, which was just trying its best to hold steady without veering off course, would stay on the road. And that was like super fun. And I just wanted to drive as the car on a generated road, not be the road. You know? And I'm never gonna find this game, am I? Because I don't remember where the fuck I saw it. And searching for it's gonna be impossible. Game where you control road generated for AI cars. Yeah, no. No, Google won't find it at all. Because it was just some random game jam, and I don't remember which jam it was. Car Game Road, yeah, right. Like, I'm really thinking that it was maybe the first game jam that I saw Vinny do, which was an awful game jam, summer game jam. I should check with those guys to see if they have a history. Alright. Little Awful? They started in 2017? I feel like I saw it way before that. Theme was bootlegs. Okay, that's not it. Oh my god. Maybe it was it. Because I'm seeing stuff that I wouldn't think would be a bootleg thing. Shit. I feel like I saw it before this though. Like I saw it way long ago. Well, now I have something to look through. Well, let's see if somebody else knows what I'm talking about. Pizza game plus kissing clip? I don't know what you're talking about, Prism. Pizza game and kissing clip. I'm sure once you explain it more, I'll know what you're talking about. Empty skyboxes are fun to drive in. Yeah, they are. Yeah, me too, Jane. I didn't know you had done that. No. Also, in GTA 5, I really love driving in the winter map, the Canada map. So once they figured out how to spawn that into the PC version, I did that and I got up there and I just drove around as much of that snowscape as I could because it was just so fun going really fast in the snow and then like hitting a road and then like ramping off the side of it. Oh god, what Oh yeah. Pizza! I laughed so hard when that happened. Oh man. What? You have to click on Verism's link to know what pizza. Kibisoft. That's a nice name. Truck stunts. Cool. I'll check that out later. Alright. So this ball camo thing that I'm doing, Click. Oh no. Wait a minute. Oh, okay. That's weird. Well, whatever. Good. Okay, that is rendering correctly.
Listener supported, commercial free, internet radio, Brew Salad from Soma FM.
I'll play it when I have more viewers. When I get a Vinny auto host, I'll play it. You have to remind me. Let's see here. I think it's fine not making this any more complicated than it already is, so let's just go ahead and kill that. This is a better code than it was before, but I'm trying to figure out this fucking down click off of that shit is not worth it, because events are not really reliable anyway. I'll come back to that at some point, maybe. I don't know. But it just ain't working. And that's no good. To do. Idle calculations are wrong. Alright, quick poll of the 3 people in chat. Do you think it's a good idea or a bad idea to allow earning dollars while the game is off? Because as it turns out, this game is an idle incremental game if I allow for offline earnings, but it becomes a tycoon game if I don't allow for offline earnings. And the prospect of having this be a tycoon game instead of an idle incremental game is a prospect that I like. And it's making me question if I should keep the offline idle or not. Either could. Yeah. Yeah, it's a very major change to the game that is, funny enough, not too late to make. And it's very easy to make it. It's very easy to just turn offline calculations off. But I don't know what I want to do yet. It's the offline calculations that are fucking up the money, and it's going to be a pain in the ass trying to fix it. There it is. So we got an average of about 200 with this setup. And we'll stop at 2,000. And this is the problem, is like testing this, you'd have to go in, recompile it with a modifier to check how much time you wanted to check against, I guess. And then hit play and use that new calculation. I mean, I want to keep it even, Verism. I want to allow you to, like the thing that keeps you coming back is supposed to be the bonus pieces. But if you're not earning when you're offline and the bonus pieces are only there when you're around, like, it sort of means they're pointless if you're only earning when you're around. So the thing that keeps you coming back would then just be the game itself, not the bonus pieces. So, like, is the game itself enough to warrant wanting to come back? Like, the idea that leaving it on is what earns you more money. So you want to leave it on more. Which means a higher chance of hitting a memory leak if I have one. I don't know. I'm probably going to keep it an idle game, but it's this fucking calculation. Alright, it's been at least 2 minutes, right? We stopped at 2,000? Or was it 4,000? What were we at? Was it 6,000? I don't know. Rewards when you come back, but like, you still have to calculate. Oh, daily bonuses. Yeah. I mean, yeah. I don't know. I should just fucking fix this bug. I need to stick to the original vision. Idle incremental. And I don't actually know if the idle calculations are wrong or if it's just a bug in my editor because of the fact that I'll leave it playing and then recompile and that breaks the fucking dollar count and that gets saved. Oh yeah, the bonus pieces are still going every 5 seconds. I'll need to check that. Boink. Yeah, Verism, that's the thing, is that, like, That's how I want to do it. Like the way they do it, you still get idle rewards, and this eventually is what I want in the final version of this game, which is that you're not getting exactly what you would have gotten if you left the game on. Yeah, no, everybody. Egg Inc. is a perfect example of a very good idle incremental game. That one is super successful. The thing is that you still want to allow the upgrade of the offline timer. And that I just didn't feel like coding, which is the only reason I don't have it yet. But maybe that's what I need to do now. I mean, I'm down to nothing now. Like, it's idle counts are wrong. And are they? I don't know. Are they really? Nobody else has actually reported that as a bug. Yeah, so it might just be me in my editor mode, and that's it. Like, it doesn't happen elsewhere. So maybe it's not a bug. That one, we'll see. If I actually catch it again. All right. So what are the things we actually need to do next? Off the top of my head, without even looking at the documentation where I have all the rest of my to-dos. What is there? Well, finalized pricing for one. Limiting to 5 spawners is another. Obviously there's juice, but I don't know what juice. I mean, there's the sound effects BS, which I have, but I'm not doing that today. There's solving for DLC. In other words, how am I going to sell sandbox mode, and how do I do that, like, in the save files? Oh yeah, saving advanced options. That has to be part of the save file. Art needs to be finalized, but that doesn't happen on stream. That happens whenever my fucking art director actually has time to talk. What else? Like, I love this. It's so good. I need to fix it though. That's something to fix. We'll fix that right now. We won't even add it to the to-dos because I'm just gonna fix it. What panel is that? That's the delete all piece prompt panel. And what needs fixing is all of the text. Cancel, delete all pieces text. Confirm, delete all pieces text. And then the prompt itself? No, where is that text coming from? Background? No. Dialogue confirmation. Yes. Confirmation. Oops. Dialogue confirmation text. So we duplicate all these in place. And then we go and edit these. This is what I was doing before I started streaming. Just adding text mesh pro stuff. Right, and then black and 18 maybe. All centered, I believe. Stretch to the panel. 0, 0, 0, 0. Wait, what? Front panel? Ooh. No. Wait. Oh, what? Oh, yeah. Okay, I guess that makes sense. Center of the screen, blah, 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 that's fine. You are stretched fully, right? I don't think you are. Yeah, 0.5, 0.5. There we go. Oh, no, I did do that at top. That is a better call. Like that. Okay. Grab the text. Put it up. Oh, wait, what? That's 18? Really? Weird. This is not the right size. Hold on. I need... Where is it? This. Still not the right... What in the fuck is going on here? Oh, the anchors are out of whack? Yeah, there we go. Okay, anchors are out of whack. But... What? Oh, the scale. Fuck. Didn't see that. Okay, there we go. That's much better. 24, 30? Almost. Middle, top, centered like that. 40, too much. 35, yes. Okay, get rid of the other one. And push off from the top just a little bit. Alright. And then take in, give it, take in, give it to you. And these two are both yellow. And then we got sizing, which I think is just gonna be what? Oh, hold on. No wrapping. There we go. Okay, make sure that still works. I think they're all ray traced by default. Ray traced? Recast. Delete all pieces, no, cancel, blah blah blah, cancel, yes, refund, it works. Okay, good. What else is going on in chat? I mean... Yeah, I understand that feel. I just have to tell people, like, this is not done. It's not done. Yeah, I know that bug. No, that's not a part of the vision. It's not done. Well, one person in this game dev or game jam channel says that he actually does know what game I was talking about, but he doesn't think it was one of the goon jams. So Oh yeah, dude, Gene, of course. This is a safe haven for game developers. Please go ahead and link to any games you want here. That's fine. It's not like I have 5,000 viewers and have to like worry about moderating shit, so it's okay. Alright, I'm gonna look at the to-do list in the documentation. Infinite loop handling. I still haven't done that, have I? Have I? I feel like I did something, but it wasn't very good. Remove shit. Oh wait, shitty splitter piece was fixed. Last piece doesn't show spinners. That was fixed. I think. Pretty sure that was fixed. Yeah, that was fixed. I got the spinners. However, are the spinners? You have to double check that. This one's probably a little messed up, but that's fine. That one looks perfect. All right, good. Okay, spinners are fine. Make stuck ball toggle work. Hey, I did that. Add toggle for banner, add supporter mode. Hey, I did that. Add option to remove bonus pieces from board. Hey, I did that. Remove bonus pieces if sandbox is toggled. That sandbox isn't in right now because sandbox causes problems. I can do that though, because it's just the same as the other thing. So I'll need to add a sandbox button back into this. That's going on the to-do. We're doing that. Probably gonna do that right now. Sandbox mode disables bonus pieces. Okay, what else do we have? Ensure piece panels open up by default. Hey, I've got that in the code. Oh, that actually needs to... That's like fucking pre-release. I need to add a pre-release. Pre-release. Alright. Sure, open up by default is a pre-release. Let's see, search through to-dos, point balancing, new zoom bounds. Pre-release is where we do encrypted saves. Let's see, loop handling, how to inform of max balls on field handling the ball sheets. We've already done that. That's done. Focus beta testing around wheel pieces. I think I'm good on the wheel pieces. Full collision redux, pivot point check. That still needs to be done. That actually will go into our to-dos. Fixed ball layer via drag collider being exited. Fixed ball layer via drag collider being exited. I think I already did that. I'm pretty sure the balls now have a countdown. That should handle... Oh, wait, no! I was gonna have it... I was gonna have it test against the piece collider. So essentially, okay, that actually I do need to do. We'll put that in the 2D. Fix ball layer if it exits loop. If it exits modded layers drag collider. That's what we have to do for that. Okay. Move that from here because it's on here now. Infinite loop handling. Yeah, we'll double check that. A bibbity boppity boobity. Let's see. Levers? Lever. No. Why did I put levers in my to-do list? I assume that was the... splitter piece lever. Fix the large splitter so it alternates. So yeah, fix add lever to large splitter. That alternates. Because I actually have the lever in the game now. Okay, multiple balls hitting goal in quick succession. Yeah, I gotta figure that one out. Ball hits goal and that total accumulated points. Yeah, that requires thought. Okay. Other than pre-release steps, which is stuff that I already know how I'm gonna do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. To dos. Remove most pieces. That's in here. Sandbox toggle. Let's get rid of that. If nothing on field 0 at the average. I think I did this already, but we're gonna put it in here. Unlisted to-do bullet points are down to 6. That is amazing. No, I'm not done streaming yet. I'll see you later, Gene. I'm glad we're helping you. I don't know if you're still here to hear me, but yeah, that. What did I miss? Oh, I did all this reading. Hi, comrade. How's it going? Hello, Hinks. And a who to you. Take care. Yeah, cool. Cool. No, Eli, I'm not done streaming. I am just going through my to-dos to see what deserves to be on the streamed to-do list, which is now much larger. But no, I'm not done yet. I'll be done when Vinny goes online, which is probably going to be in the next hour. So then I can actually go and get dinner, because I need to do that. I'm going to cook a hamburger tonight. So I'm starting to get real hungry. Maybe I should just stop and eat now. I might just stop and eat now. Because you know what? I got a lot done today. I refilled my to-do list. And my stomach is making awful, awful noises. Yeah, you know what I'm calling it. Tomorrow we'll... Somebody yell at me, okay? Below the stream, you'll see where my Twitter account is. It's Dave Cap Streams. Like, if I'm not streaming by 3 o'clock tomorrow, yell at me, please. Somebody yell at me. Be like, what the fuck, where's your stream? Because I've been really, really bad this past week about streaming, and I just got so much work done today that should have been done 2 weeks ago. Really, I should have been at this point a long time ago. It's 8 o'clock here, so yeah, I need to eat. What do I put on my hamburger? It's more, you know what's more important is what I put in my hamburger. Because what you put on it, it's whatever you want. In my particular case, I go with cheese, relish, pickles if I don't have relish, and a little bit of ketchup. That's pretty much it. Because that's the flavor profile I enjoy. But when you're making a hamburger from scratch, you gotta work something into that hamburger, you know? You gotta spice it up a little. You don't want just plain hamburger. You don't want to just bite into beef flavor and have that be it. No, you gotta make it a little more interesting, you know? You gotta really work something into that burger. In my particular case, it's garlic salt, paprika, cumin, a little bit of salt and pepper, of course. And whatever the fuck else is on your spice rack, you know? Cumin, a little bit of cumin, really good. Paprika with that too, really good. Oh, You know what? A little bit of spice via what is it? What is it that I have? Hold on, you know what? Let me go remember what this is. I think it's cayenne pepper. Yeah. Yeah, get a little cayenne pepper in there. Or a little bit of spice. I actually have a George Foreman grill that I use to make my burgers. I've had this grill for over a decade. I haven't used it until like last 1 or 2 months ago because I took it out to give it to Goodwill and then realized, wait, this still works. So I cleaned it up and now it's fantastic. And like you set that thing to high, you cover the burger in tinfoil, just one line of tinfoil both sides. Smash that fucking thing down on high for like 90 seconds. And it cooks it just enough to still be a little raw, not raw, but you know, to get a perfect medium, right? And here's the hard part. Here's the part that you got to get a little fancy at, right? I've already talked about what you're mixing into the burger. I've talked about what you put on top of the burger. When it comes to the bun, you know, you do what you want to do. Toast it, fucking butter it up and toast it. I don't know. There's so many things you can do with the bun. User preference. But if you're going to use a George Foreman grill to cook a burger, and you do that 90-second on high, right? You do what the crazy sous vide chefs like me do. You put that shit on another piece of tinfoil, put it on a rack, and then you get out your goddamn torch. Your butane torch. And you fucking torch the outside of that thing so you got a little bit of burnt burger all around it. Mwah! Tastes like grilled. It's fantastic. Alright, now that I've imparted upon you the burger wisdom, it's time for the stream to end. For everybody who hung around, whether it was from the start or a few minutes ago, I appreciate you guys hanging out. I couldn't have gotten this work done without having at least some kind of an audience to push me along. Thank you so much. This game is going places. I'm gonna try to get that demo updated at some point. It really needs to be updated. I should just do that tonight. Fuck it, I'll do it tonight. I'm gonna update that demo tonight. Scream at me tomorrow if I don't. I need to eat. Anyways, until the next time, have a good night.